Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the blade on your Bosch lawnmower. Now, first things first, we got to check and make sure that everything is safe. So we're going to make sure that this kill switch is not on. It's going to be turned off. And in fact, just to be doubly safe, I'm going to remove the battery, just like that. Now, this should be the same if you're doing it on a lithium battery machine like this, or if you're doing it on a regular one. Now, the main thing that you have to do is, you see that spins freely. So what we have to do is poke into this hole. And what's important to realize is that if you just poke in there at any spot, this will still turn free. You have to look for in there when you see, just right there. It's hard to, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but in real life you can see that there's a gap there. And so now it's steady. And at this point I could unscrew it. But there are actually a few different holes on there. Like there's another one, and that one's gonna work too. So now all you need is a 17-inch. You can use either a crescent wrench like this, or you can use a wrench like this. Let's just use a crescent. It's nice and strong, and just turn it counterclockwise, just like that. Okay, this is the old blade here, and you can see I got some pretty big divots in there. It's time to change it. I think we ran into some rocks. So that is the one to discard, and here is the new one, 43Li. Now guys, if you're getting any value from this video, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to the channel if you haven't already for more tips and tricks like this video. And I ordered an original Bosch, by the way, from Amazon. I'm gonna put some links in the video description down below. Let's go on. So I got this blade, and it also came with a new bolt. And that bolt has got a lock washer on it, as you can see there. And it's also got Loctite, that blue stuff. So that's good. We're gonna use this as well. So let's just put this guy. Here's the new bolt. So the new one is a little stiffer to go in, maybe because of the Loctite, but we're getting there. Oh, very nice. Alrighty, good to go. Alrighty, I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Till next time, take it easy. Have a good one.